Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm getting ready to decorate my entryway. So come on with me guys. So I'm gonna reuse this wreath that I found in my stash, and we're gonna make this look absolutely beautiful so that I can hang it on my door in the entryway. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and the theme for this month is Holiday Entryway. So let me tell you who's hosting. We have designed with Emma and myself the Grace Life DIY home decor. We have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me mention them. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Being Mel B, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and Dream with Caroline. So now what I did is I grabbed some Dollar Tree ornaments in red, so this way it gives the wreath a pop. There's already ornaments and flowers already on this wreath, which I hot glued, so we don't want to pull those out. All we want to do is fluff out the wreath, add the ornaments, and I think we're going to be good. Wait till you see. I'm also going to be adding some bows, so this is going to come out beautiful, and you're not even going to know I revamped it. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now don't forget to head on over to all of the other participants' channels. You will be amazed at how beautiful their home decor is, and I can't wait for you to see the ideas you're going to get with the entryway. So this wreath is absolutely gorgeous, and here it is. Isn't that beautiful? I am loving it, especially the bows. Let's head on over to the entryway. All right, so I'm starting out here and we're wiping this table down. My entryway is not very big, but it doesn't mean it can't look beautiful. Now, I'm absolutely loving these pops of red, and I think this little area here looks beautiful. Let's go over to the door and change out the wreath. All right, so the old one has to come down so that we can add the one that we fixed. Doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous, guys? Let's hang this up and head on over to the reveal. Right, so I am loving how this space is looking. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.